Today somebody on LinkedIn asked if they could create a button that is like a walkie-talkie type button, push to talk. And they were wondering if you could push the button down, hold it, and then once your finger releases, it would do another action. So you basically want two methods and you want to cover two events. And you can do that on a single button. Let's do that quickly. We'll go File, New, Project, and we'll choose a single view application. And we'll just call this push, to talk. Create that. We'll go to the storyboard and we'll show how easy this is to do by adding one button, and we'll change that to push to talk, and we want to create two events. So what we're going to do is move up here and show our assistant view, and we're going to drag, control drag over here, and we want to create one action, and we're going to say finger is down, and for this we're going to use the touch down event rather than the touch up inside, and we'll go connect, and then what we're going to do is we're going to create another one where it's going to be an action and we want the touch up inside, so we're going to say finger is up. And since those are the getters and setters are nicely created for those, we can just switch over here. Actually, before we do that, we're going to add a label, and we're going to change the label just to prove that that event is taking place. And we'll center it, and we'll blank that out for the moment, and we're going to create for that an outlet. We're going to call this message. And we're going to flip over to our implementation, and we're going to synthesize the message, and in the finger is down, we're going to say message dot text is equal to, and we're going to say finger is down, and we're going to do this. So once the finger is released, we're going to say finger is up. Now let's build and run that and see what happens. Build succeeded. Push to talk. So the message above says finger is down. When you release, finger is up. Push to talk, finger is down. When you release, finger is up. And there you go.